So I'm here to talk to you and let you know my experience with these Sterilite 20 quart. They call them gasket bins, but in other words, they are water resistant, airtight bins. If you've seen on the channel before, I do a lot of 3D printing and I do reviews of 3D printer filament, which when you get that, it comes vacuum sealed with dry bags and everything. And it is important to keep them in a moisture-free, clean environment. And so these are the bins I actually use. Because here's what the 3D printer filament looks like. And I just put them in here, line them up. I like it this way because these are stackable and obviously you can see into them, so I don't have to start labeling everything. I just simply fill it up with my filament, seal it. I actually put the dry bags in there that the filament was packed with, and then I can stack these up. My stack's a little big right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this filament, but look at how nice and easy it is to see what's inside there. It is in an environmentally controlled environment, which is perfect for what this needs. But like if you're gonna be even more simple than that, if you're gonna store stuff like in the garage or something like that, and you don't want the bugs and the dirt getting in there, here's another great one. If you're into RVs and you're traveling, the ants will attack. You spend enough time in the woods, eventually the ants will attack. This way you can keep your food in here, keep it safe. The ants hopefully won't smell it, but they're not attacking and getting into this. They're not even gonna try. But this is a great way to keep your food secure in an RV. Again, an environmentally sound environment. Yeah, anyway, I just said environmentally twice. That's my proof to you that this is legit and unscripted. I am screwing it all up, but the basic message is this stuff is really cool. I use it myself. I use it personally. That's why I'm here. Not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Just I'm a fan of it. I hope this is helpful to you. We'll see you next time.